Yeah.
And ladies and gentlemen, if we could have your attention for a moment. We'd like to point out the safety features of this Boeing 737-700 series aircraft. A safety information card is in the seatbelt and under your bucket setting.
What?
Your
No.
seatbelt ties and that let in the buckle. Pull the strap tight. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you're seated. There are 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle in front, and bulge tight. Once outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube located at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. Flight attendants are coming by to ensure that your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and tray tables in the full, upright and locked position, and all those carrying items are completely in the seat ready, or in an overhead compartment, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board, including in the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require a personally compliant flight information signs with the flag guard and crew members' instructions, including information on seatbelts, smoking, and the federal mask requirement.
Good everybody. Good everybody.